You gonna sit with me? You gonna sit with me? Okay. You gonna sit with me? You guys stay still. Hi everyone. So over the weekend I did the soapstone carving kit with my partner. I got the orca and the turtle carving kit, and it was really fun. I really enjoyed it. Inside the kit, I don't have the box anymore because it got dirty and it got dusty and it got a little bit wet, so I threw it away, but I kept the outside cover. And you can see here that the kit came with the orca shape, the turtle shape, one, I guess you call it a filer, 2 different grades of sandpaper, a wax and a cloth to polish. One of my critiques of the kit though, it doesn't say that it's a kit for 2, but I bought it with the intention of carving at the same time as my partner, so there was only one filer inside. So I ended up buying a few other filers just so that we could be creating, I could be creating the orca and he could be creating the turtle at the same time. My other critique about the kit is that the filer that they provide, while it works really well, it's not great for like getting into crevices and making details, so I would, to be honest, either way recommend getting thinner filers off of Amazon. I did the orca, as I said, and this is the final look after waxing. I'll show pictures before and after waxing. But I really like it. It was a fun project. I would definitely maybe next time do a bigger soapstone carve. But yeah, definitely one that I enjoyed. Oh. Oh.